In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a refund on Temu for a tax issue. If you notice that tax was charged incorrectly on one of your Temu orders, the good news is that you can usually address it directly through your order history. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you know exactly what to click and what to expect along the way. To get started, go to the Temu website and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look for the section called Your Orders. This is where you'll find a full list of your recent purchases, along with options for tracking, returns, and refund requests. Take a moment to locate the specific order where you notice the tax discrepancy. It helps to double check the order details before moving forward so you're sure you're selecting the correct purchase. When you found the right order, click Return or Refund. This opens the return and refund menu for that order and lets you choose which items are affected. If the order includes multiple products, make sure you select only the items connected to the tax issue. Being accurate here can help avoid confusion later in the process. After selecting the item or items you want to return, you'll be asked to choose a reason for the request. From the available options, select tax issue or incorrectly charged depending on which wording appears on your screen. This tells Temu that the refund request is specifically related to the tax amount, which is important for proper review. Next, submit your request. Once it's been accepted, Temu will provide a return label for you to print. Be sure to print that label and attach it securely to your return package. Before sending the items back, it's a good idea to pack them carefully so they arrive in good condition. A properly packed return can help the refund process move more smoothly. After the package is sent back using the provided return label, Temu can process the return and issue your full refund based on the approved request. Keep any shipping confirmation or drop-off receipt until the refund is completed, just in case you need to reference the return later. That's the full process. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to submit a return for a tax-related issue and move toward receiving your refund without unnecessary delays.